Every time a plane takes off, thousands of liters of aviation fuel called after have already been carefully stored, tested, and delivered to that aircraft. But how does that all happen? Hi everyone, my name is Tasita Kamayang, and today we are going to dive deep into after distribution management at AFT Juanda, one of Indonesia's critical aviation fuel terminals, exploring how operational efficiency and reliability standards keep aircraft flying safely every single day. Let's get started. Before we get into AFT Juanda specifically, let's understand the bigger picture, the oil and gas logistics supply chains. This is a complex, multi-stage system designed to ensure that energy is available from the point of extraction all the way to wingtip delivery of an aircraft. There are three core stages. For the first is inbound. Refinery sorting and transportation raw petroleum is processed into after. Then transport to storage terminals. And then the second is storage. At the terminal, fuel is managed in large tank farms. Inventory levels, fuel quality, and stocks rotations are all carefully controlled. And the third is outbound. The final mile what's called into plants distributions, where fuel is physically delivered directly into the aircraft. Every link in this chain matters. A failure at any point could ground an entire flight. And now let's zoom in on our focus facility, AFT Juanda. That aviation Juanda, the aviation fuel terminal located in Sidoarjo, East Java. This terminal serves as a critical aviation energy gateway for Juanda International Airports, one of Indonesia's busiest airports. What makes AFT Juanda stand out? It operates high-capacity storage tank cluster, allowing it to hold massive fuel reserves. It provides 24/7 high-frequency aviation support. Because aircraft don't stop flying when the sun goes down, it's equipped with world-class filtration systems. And it has integrated quality inspection laboratories on site for real-time testing. AFT Juanda is not just a full depot. It is a precision engineered operational hub. So how does after actually flow through this system? Let me walk you through the four-stage workflow. For the stage one is refinery. Production begins at the refinery, where petroleum is processed to international after standards, specifically Jet A1 specifications. And then the stage 2 is transport. Bulk fuel is transferred from the refinery to AFT Juanda, typically via pipeline or tank trucks. And then stage 3 is AFT Juanda. Stocks management and quality control happens here. Fuel is tested, stored, monitored, and kept ready for development. And then the stage 4 is into plant. Trained operators deploy specialist equipment to deliver exactly the right amount of fuel to each aircraft precisely and safely. And connecting all four states is one principle continuous monitoring ensuring 100% fuel integrity from refinery gate to aircraft tank. Once after is ready at the terminal, how is it physically delivered to aircraft? AFT Juanda use three main methods. The first is the hydrant system, an underground piping network that delivers fuel directly to aircraft gates through fixed hydrant pits. Think, think of it like a water main, but for efficient fuel, fast efficient, and reduce heavy physical traffic on the tarmacs. The second is the refueler, a mobile tank vehicle for aircraft at remote stands away from hydrants infrastructure, highly flexible, and can reach any part of the apron. And then the third is the dispenser, a mobile interface unit that connects hydrogen speed to the aircraft wing, serving as the final filtration and metering points. Together, these three methods give AFT Juanda the flexibility to fuel any aircraft at any stand under any operational condition. Efficiency doesn't happen by accident. It requires smart optimization strategies. The core challenge is balancing stocks availability against the dynamic demand schedules of airlines. A flight delay, a sudden charter, a peak holiday season. All of these can zero fuel requirements. AFT Juanda use a key inventory formula stocks equals as initial plus P reserve minus D delivered. In simple terms, your current stocks equals what you started with plus what's been reserved minus what's already been delivered. This formula drives predictive inventory planning, where historical flight data, seasonal trends, and airline schedules are analyzed to forecast demand and maintain optimal stock levels. The goal: never run short, never overstock, always ready. The result of these efforts are measurable and impressive. Flow speed has doubled at twice increase, meaning fuel can be transferred at twice the rate compared to older systems. Aircraft turnaround times has been reduced by 30%. Faster fueling means aircraft spend less time on the ground and more time in the air, exactly what airlines need. And 100% digital flow tracking. Every single liter is tracked from the moment it enters the terminal to the moment it enters the aircraft. Digitalized tracking combined with hydrogen utilizations has also helped minimize the terminal's carbon footprints. Efficiency and sustainability working together. Efficiency means nothing without reliability. In efficient fuel management, failure is simply not an option. AFT Juanda ensures reliability through four pillars. Strategic buffer is over 20 days of fuel supply maintained at all times, protecting against disruptions. Quality integrity, multi-layer, particular separations removes contaminants that could damage aircraft engines. And then asset readiness. Predictive maintenance gets potential fleet failure before they happen, and certified work workforce, every operator trained under international GIG standards. This is what builds trust with airlines, not promise process. Handling millions of liters of highly flammable aviation fuel comes with serious responsibilities. And and that's where HSSE management comes in. HSS stands for Health, Safety, Security, and Environment. At AFT Juanda, this is approached through three case programs. For the first is fire safety. Fire safety is the terminal is equipped with automated firefighting system and continuous monitoring networks across the entire facility. In a fuel environment, response times is everything, and these systems are designed to react in seconds. And then the second is EcoGuard. Protecting the environment is non-negotiable. AFT Juanda implements zero spill containment design and active spill management protocols, ensuring that no fuel ever contaminates the surroundings area. And the last is safety culture. This is perhaps the most important one. A zero accidents target is maintained not just through rules, but through protective daily fuel safety checks. Safety here is not a poster on the wall. It is a daily practice life by every single operator on site. Now, even with all this system in place, no supply chain is without its challenge. Let's talk about the critical bottlenecks that AFT Juanda and the broader efficient energy sector must constantly navigate. The first is seasonal peak demand spikes. During holiday seasons or major events, flight frequencies surge dramatically and fuel demands must keep up without a single shortage. And then the second is international oil price volatility. After prices are directly tied to global crude oil markets, making procurement costs unpredictable and difficult to budget long term. And then the third is pipeline and logistical bottleneck. Any disruption in the transport network, whether mechanical failure and then weather or capacity constraints, can delay fuel supply to the terminal. And finally, regulatory compliance updates, aviation fuel standards, and environmental regulation evolve constantly, requiring the terminal to continuously adapt its operation and documentation. These challenges are real, and managing them strategically is what defines a world-class fuel terminal. To stay ahead of those challenges, AFT Juanda is actively embracing innovation and digitalizations. Three technologies in particular are transforming how the terminals operate. The first is IoT sensors. These devices provide real-time pressure and tank level telemetry monitoring across all storage tanks. Operators no longer need to physically check each tank. The data comes to them instantly, allowing faster and more accurate decision making. The second is smart billing through the Fuel Management System or FMS. This digital this digitalized platform enables fully paperless fueling authorizations from the moment an airline requires fuel to the moment delivery is confirmed. It reduces human error, speeds up transaction, and creates a clear digital audit trail. And the third is automations. Automated gate controls and logistic tracking systems that reduce manual interventions, minimize delays, and improve overall throughput across the terminal. Together, these three innovations are moving AFT Juanda from a traditional fuel depot into a smart, data-driven energy hub. And all of this, the optimizations, the reliability and innovation translates into direct and measurable impact on aviation performance. On-time performance sits at 98%, meaning nearly every single aircraft that requires fuel receive it exactly when needed, supporting on-time temperatures across the board. The fuel reliability index stands at 100%, zero quality failures. Every liter of after that leave, this terminal meets the highest aviation grade standards. And refueling efficiency is 88% faster compared to conventional fueling methods, a massive advantage in an industry where every minute on the ground costs money. As the saying goes in this industry, effective distribution is the silent backbone of airline trust and regional aviation growth. And AFT Juanda prove at the every single day. So the next time you board or fly out of Juanda Airport, you will know the story behind the fuel in that aircraft. From refinery to pipelines, from storage tanks to hydrant pits, from quality labs to wingtip delivery, every step is managed with precision, discipline, and commitment to reliability. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more logistic and supply chain content. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, ensuring reliable energy for the future of flights. See you in the next video. Bye bye.